So give me a second. I'm just checking my audio settings. Yeah. Guys, please let me know in the comment section. Am I clearly audible? And the screen is visible. And we will wait for 1 or 2 minutes, guys, so that YouTube will send the notification to all our followers. So please let me know. Am I clearly audible in the mic and visible so that we won't get any technical glitches in between? If you confirm me in the beginning of the session. So I'm just waiting for your response. Guys, please respond in the chat. Yeah, just now notification sent to all our followers. Just wait for 1 more minute, guys, so that people will join and they also don't miss this opportunity. So, guys, please comment how many of you are attempting Capgemini examination. How many of you are attempting Capgemini examination this week? Guys, before the starting of the session, I would like to say this. Capgemini On-Campus is going on. So, this video is exclusively for Capgemini based preparation. But as of now, On-Campus is going on. Soon, Off-Campus will start from Feb. So, from February onwards, Off-Campus of Capgemini will start. So, you can watch this video and you will get some idea about Capgemini's technical round, so that accordingly you can prepare for your off campus if you don't have on campus opportunity. And if you have a on campus examination, it's already started. So 1st December to, so actually, yeah, 1st December to 6th December, we have a lot of colleges having the examination for the Capgemini technical round. So that's why we came to the live to explain the things for a lot of our followers. So please quickly. Okay. Bharat is saying his technical round is also. Yes, yes. You need to use the safe browser only for this examination as well. Okay. Guys, in this video, I am going to tell you about all the technical round, which is nothing but in the technical assessment, what they are going to ask. So we already know Capgemini have three different rounds after technical, sorry, after communication round, which is nothing but technical assessment and a coding assessment and a game based aptitude, right? So in this today's video, I am only talking about technical assessment, which is nothing but only I will discuss about pseudo code based questions and IT fundamentals. Tomorrow I will come to the live and I will explain coding based questions. And day after I will come and I will explain about game based aptitude. So each one day we will discuss about one round. Okay. In single video, if I explain everything, it will be hectic for you also who are preparing in a order. Okay. Before that, in order to get all updates, either it is for on campus or off campus, exam pattern, changed patterns, we are posting a lot of things in our Instagram handles. So please follow according to your year, so that you will get a updated test patterns and syllabus you need to prepare. We are posting on Instagram, so follow here. And if you want to reach us to clear your doubts, follow us Discord, WhatsApp and Telegram channels. So all these things Links are given in the description of the video. So without any further delay, let's get started. And if anyone have the doubts, please directly you can reach to 844 is our support number, and directly you can call us or WhatsApp us, and our team is always there to help you guys with the updated patterns if you still have any doubts. Why? Because people are sending a lot of queries over the Instagram and YouTube comments. Maybe we can't react to the comments in an immediate basis. It will take 1 or 2 days. But still, if you have any doubts that's need to clear instantly or in on priority, you can directly contact to our support here. Okay. So without further delay, let's get started with our first question. And when coming to the papers I have seen, guys, from the last 2 days, the examination is happening across the lot of colleges, right? So I have seen that the examination paper of technical, which consisting of pseudocode and IT foundation, right? IT fundamentals. Guys, pseudocode based questions are they have given up to medium level, but IT fundamental questions they have given medium to high level, guys. So please practice this section very importantly. Why? Because the difficulty level I have seen in the on campus this time is very high when compared to the last year. Last year Capgemini paper is like easy to medium level, but this time they increase the level too much. Why? Because they want to curate a lot of people, so that's why they are increasing the level of difficulty and they are increasing the cutoffs as well. So I have seen the papers of few students share the screenshot in our Instagram and in the WhatsApp groups. So I have seen those questions. Openly I am saying at least up to object oriented programming and data structures and algorithms, the basics also you need to know, which is nothing but theoretical concepts in order to clear this technical round. Okay, so please practice according to the level of difficulty. Okay, so here is the first question. The first question is given as x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 5, and the loop is running for I is equal to 1 to 3, which is nothing but the loop will run for 3 times, and x is equal to x, or the cap symbol is nothing but XOR, right? So remember that it is based on bitwise operators or bitwise operators based problem, and this is called left shift operation, right? So y is manipulating with the left shift operator. So let's start doing this. So x, when sorry, when I is equal to 1, one iteration will complete. When I is equal to 2, another iteration. When I is equal to 3, third iteration. Okay, next, first iteration x cap y, which is nothing but x value is 12, y value is 15. So whenever you see this symbol, it is called XOR, right? So these are all bitwise operators. Bitwise operators always perform the calculations on bits. So you need to convert the numerical value of base 10 to the binary values first. So quickly I will convert. X is equal to 12 means 8 plus 4. So give me a second. 8 plus 4, right? So 8 and 4 will be adjacent. 1100 is the 12. And y is 5. 5 means 101. So if you do the calculations of XOR, please do it quickly, okay? XOR is nothing but XOR table. If the inputs are same, output is 0. If inputs are opposite, the output is 1. This is the truth table or output for the XOR operator, right? So when the input is different, output is 1. Input is same, output is 0. Now tell me the output is 1001, which is nothing but 9 is the resultant here, which is stored in x. Now the x value is 9 after first iteration. Now y less than 1, guys, here you need to remember one thing. Left shift means This is how I will teach my students when they are coding. I don't want to do the calculations like left shift means. A lot of people, what they will do is they will convert the 5 into the binary, and they will shift the elements to the left hand side direction. Right shift means right hand side direction, they will shift. I don't want to do that. Remember simply, if the left shift is there, you have to multiply with 2. This is the only logic you need to remember. If it is a right shift, it is called divided by 2. Okay. So now here left shift right, which is nothing but I have to multiply by 2. So 5 into 2 is 10. So y value will be 10. This is how you need to learn the concept so that you can do even coding based problems, output based problems of pseudocode much faster. Guys, am I correct or not? Let me know in the chat. Is it correct output or not? You also do parallelly along with me. Next. Now the x value is 9, y value is 10. For the iteration 2, second iteration, again this step will be repeated. So XOR operation will happen. So 1001 and a 10 means 1010. So if you do XOR, answer is 0011, which is nothing but 3. 3 is nothing but x value is 3 now. And y is equal to, now the y value is 10. If it is left shifted again you have to multiply with 2. So it will become 20. So whenever you have did or you did the first iteration, the second iteration you need to guess very quickly. And the repetition, right? So you need to increase your speed also. Next, the last step, y will be 40. I know. Again, I have to multiply with 2. But I need to find the x value. Why? Because x will be different. So here there is no priority for y actually. Why? Because they are printing just x. So the next value is 3. 3 means 0011. And y value is 20. What is meant by 20? 20 means 16 plus 4. So 16 means 10100. It is 4, it is 16. Yeah, Bharat Kumar, nice question. I will let you know. Don't worry. Okay. So 10 bits are different. So output is 1. 10 bits are different. So output is 1. Here 01 output is 1. 00 0. 1 output is 1. If you carefully observe, we got 10111. What is the answer for this? 16, 20, and this is 3. So total 23 is the answer. So the final output you will get after this pseudo code is nothing but 23 you need to do. Okay. Let me erase this question. Let me erase the concept and I will explain you a simple thing. Here, Bharat is asking why left shift 1 you are multiplying with 2 and why double left shift 2 you have to multiply with 2, right? Why you have multiplied with for the 2 I have to multiply with 2. It's wrong, Bharat. So I would like to say this. See, left shift 1 means, for example, the answer is 0100. Left shift by 1 place means 1 will go to the left hand side 1 position and rest of the place will be 0. Okay. So you have multiplied by 1, which is nothing but this number of shiftings will go to the 2 powers. For example, y left shift by 2, if they said you have to shift the bits by 2 positions, that means you have to multiply with 2 power 2. So how many times you will shift? That will go to the powers of 2. So that's why if the left shift 2 is there, you have to multiply with 4. If the left shift 5 is there, you have to multiply with 2 power 5. Guys, everyone, let us know in the chat. Am I correct or not? And also I'm looking into the chat and please like the video, everyone. Okay, I hope this is clear. Let's go to the next question. Hemant, as per the information we got from few students and few colleges, I will say, okay. Uh, According to the students, only said to me that coding round is a not elimination round. They said in their colleges. I can't assure that. Why? Because we didn't get any information from the colleges like that. So, if they told in your college, you can trust the information. But as of now, we don't have any information related to that. Every round is a elimination round. Only the information we got till now. Okay. Even in the pre-placement talk in few colleges also they said like every round is a elimination round simply. Okay. Just look into the next problem. Count is equal to 0, I is equal to 1 to 5 and j is equal to 1 to I. If I plus j percentage 3 is equal to 0, count plus 1. Okay. Guys, just look at here. It is a based on nested loop and some of the elements, right? So I. So how many times the outer loop will be executed? This is the first thing you need to know. So it will execute for I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, I is equal to 4, I is equal to 5. So 5 times it will get executed. Next, whenever I value is 1, for loop inside for loop will execute for only one time. Whenever I value is 2, the inside loop will be executed for only 2 times. Why? Because the inner loop is not individually running from 1 to 5. It is running from 1 to the present value of I. So, J values will be all these things you need to know, guys, before only. Why? Because once you start practicing the things, you will habituate to these things. Okay. So, whenever J is I is equal to 1, J is also 1. Whenever I is equal to 2, J value will be 1 comma 2. Why? Because for I is equal to 2, the inner loop will be run for 2 times. Why? Because every time J will start from 1. So now J value will be 1, 2, 3. And for the fourth iteration, J value will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And fifth iteration, J value will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the actual question here is how the count will be increased? Whenever I and j value sum is perfectly divided by 3, percentage means modulus. Modulus 3 means if it is exactly divided by 3, then only count will be increased. So I have to take the sum of the I and j values where it is equal to 3 multiples. So let's dive into this. 1 plus 1, it is not a 3 multiple. Next, 2 and 1, it is a sum 3. 2 and 2, it is not possible. Next, 3 and 1 is not possible. 3 and 2 is not possible. 3 and 3 is possible. So here count is increased by 1. Here count is also increased by 1. And here if you observe, 4 plus 1 is 5, not possible. 4 plus 2 is 6. So one time increased. And 4 plus 3 7, 4 plus 4 8. Those are not 3 multiples. Next, 5 plus 1 6. Count is increased by 1. 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 3 8, 5 plus 4 9. 9 means it is a 9 multiple. And 5 plus 5 is 10, it is not a 9 multiple. So how many 3 multiples are there in this pairs? Total 5 3 multiples we got. So 5 times this if condition will get satisfied. So 5 times the count will be increased. So output of the count will be 5. This is how you need to do the problems in a quick manner, guys. Okay. So please understand how quickly we need to do this type of problems. You need to practice these things before. You need to know how to print the patterns, right? How you print star patterns, star, 2 stars, and 3 stars, and 4 stars. How you will print star pattern and all. It is very simple, right? So this is how the problem is designed. So look into the next question. Look at the problem. Array is given as 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9. Result is equal to 0. So here we are running a for loop. I is started from 0 and length of the array minus 3. So why they are running like this? Up to last 3 elements we need to skip. Okay. Next. X is equal to AR of I cap AR of I plus 1 cap AR of I plus 2. Okay. So with the I element, if you carefully observe, the index is here, right? With the I, we are accessing the next 2 elements also. So with only one I value, we are accessing multiple next succeeded values. So that's why here the loop is running till here. For example, here if I value is here, it will take next 5 and 9. That's it. We can't go to the 5. That's why they stopped by minus 3. Why? Because if I take I value here, there is no other 2 elements. Okay, I have one overview of the question. See, again I am telling you guys, you need to understand overview of the question first. Then only you can solve the problem within the less steps. If you blindly run this program, how many times it will run step by step, if you do, it will take a lot of time. Next, result is equal to max of result. So whatever the values you will get after doing the XOR operation, you need to print the maximum value in the result. Okay, let's start doing that without any wasting much time. So I will writing here. Okay, here for example, first 3 elements, 1 cap, 1 cap, 4. So this is the first iteration. The second iteration will be 1 cap, 4 cap, 1. And next iteration will be 4 cap, 1 cap, 5. And the last iteration will be 1 cap, 5 cap, 9. Okay, just look at here, guys. What is the maximum number you can see here is last term, right? You can try with either last pair or in between pair, whatever. But anything can be happen in XOR. It is not like a regular numbers. So please do quickly. So you need to very good at bitwise operations. So simply how I am doing, look at here. 3 means I will write 4 bits. Okay, if we write 4 bits, it will be faster also to do the calculations, and you will get habituated to up to 15 numbers, right? So 3 means 0011. 1 means 0001. 4 means 0100. First XOR for these two operations. 110, 101, and rest of the things are zeros only, right? So 010 is the answer. So I don't have to worry about these numbers now. 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. So 0110 is the answer. So what is the output? It is nothing but 4 plus 2 is 6. Similarly, do it here. 0001 0100 0001. First do it for these two. What will be the answer? It will become 1, it will become 0, and it will become 1. So 10101. So here it will become 0, here it is 0, here it is 1, here it is 0. So the answer is 4. So if you do odd number and even number XOR, or if you do even number with 1 XOR, it will give you the same number. If you know it or not, I don't know, but I am not explaining this much in-depth knowledge in this session. So just I want to say this, remember, when the even number is doing XOR with the 1, the same number will come. So there are few rules you need to remember, guys. Okay, please take care of that. So here answer is 4. So next is 0100 and 0001 and 0101 is the 5. So if you do XOR for these two, what will be the answer? Simply 0 1 0 1. 01010101 XOR if you do, it will become 0. Why? Because if the same numbers have XOR, the output will be 0. So there are few rules. Please follow those rules. I can't recall all the rules as of now, but still, if you are in learning stage, you can go through the textbook to get them. I didn't remember. There are 4 to 5 rules will be there in XOR. Usually, I'm habituated to do the direct calculations, but if you remember those rules, it will be better add-on for you. Okay, it will improve the speed. Next, 10001 and 0101. So here answer 0010 and 9 is nothing but 8 and 1. So the answer is 1, answer is 1, answer is 0, answer is 1. 1101 is nothing but 13. So 64013, the maximum number is 13. So you can say the answer is 13 will be stored in result and you will get the answer. Guys, here actually I am talking about everything you need to know before. Just I am solving the question, that's it. Okay. And look into the next question. Sir, need HCL cracking questions. Vishal, please reach out to our team for the number I have given. Definitely, we will try to give you the information about it. When is your exam? And if you told me about that, accordingly, we will plan if any live is required, or we will give you the relevant information. If it is less hiring, we will directly give you the information. Okay. So let's talk about next problem. S is equal to some information given, which is nothing but the string is given. Next, max length is equal to 0 and current length is equal to 0. So, okay, maximum length you need to find, and every time current length will be different. Okay, what is this problem is about? For C in S, if C is equal to M, current is equal to current plus 1, which is nothing but okay. Whenever the character is equal to M, CUR is getting increased by 1. Whenever it is not equal to M, again CUR will be reset to 0. Okay, so this program I will directly tell you guys, those who did a lot of practice, they will easily get this up thing easily, which is nothing but you can easily get this type of snippet logic if you have gone through at least 50-60 problems practice. You are good to go. Here I immediately got, whenever M is equal to some character, we are increasing the count, which means we are counting how many M's are there. Whenever G occurred, we are breaking it and we are making the count is equal to 0 and we are storing the maximum value to the length, which means they're asking for how many times M is having highest length, which means here M is repeated for 3 times. 3 is the length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next M is repeated for 5 times. So length is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. M is repeated for 4 times. So length is 4. So maximum length of M's continuously we got at middle, that is 5. So output is 5. Sir, how you got this type of concepts? Again, I'm telling you guys, practice, practice, practice. Practice only will give you these type of problems doing. So that's why I'll always suggest our PrepInsta Prime to all the students. Please start your preparation. And for example, if you don't know about any programming languages, recently we got in our Instagram pages also, people are saying like, can we learn any programming language within the 3 to 4 days? Guys, if you want to learn any programming language in 3 to 4 days, I suggest Python. But for the Capgemini, Python is not there. So still, if you spend 5 to 6 hours per day, Java can be moderately you can achieve in 3 days. But you need to have a basic knowledge in C first. If you are from engineering background, at least you will know about C programming language in your first year, right? So if you spend 6 hours per day and if you spend like 3 to 4 days, you can achieve Java syntax easily. I'm not talking about complete problem solving. I am saying that you can familiar with all the syntax of Java. Then you can start your preparation with the problems. Or if you already have a problem solving knowledge in any other programming languages like Python, you can instantly learn Java within the days, guys. It's all about your dedication. To be honest, language is different, problem solving is different. Don't make me or don't make my words in a wrong way. Okay, remember this. Learning programming language is very easy, but adopting to the problem solving is very tough. So for problem solving only we will take much time. So that's why I'll say to the students, program um, any programming language with a DSA knowledge, they will take 3 to 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. Why we will say this is nothing but this 3 to 4 months you will focus on problem solving. You don't focus on still learning the syntax. Okay, I hope you guys understood. Okay, so if you guys want to learn any popular skills like Gen AI, data science, data analytics, and artificial intelligence, machine learning, cyber security, cloud computing, everything we can get here. And also, if you want to develop any projects by using full stack web development, you can learn each and every tool here like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, query languages, backend like Node.js, Express.js, like complete one stack you can learn from us. And if you want to learn any programming language, you can learn from here and up to basic, intermediate, competitive coding, along with data structures in any programming language you are preparing. Not only that, if you are preparing for any placements, aptitude is common. So you can learn quant, logical, verbal, data interpretation, especially recent times. Game based aptitude become viral. Why? Because a lot of companies are asking the questions based on game based aptitude. So we have that course also. You can go through that. And along with that, company specific like service based or product based or interview preparation or projects or computer science subjects and pseudo code. So interview experiences or resume making, everything you will get under a single subscription. That is our PrepInsta Prime, guys. And also, if you want to prepare all pseudo code level questions, go to the program, go to the 100 codes. Or if you want to learn DSA, you can go to the top 150 not out questions also. So all these will you will get with a single subscription with ultimate complete access to all the courses. And the prices also we are offering for very less. You can easily afford these prices as a student and use the coupon code KTK Max to get the maximum discount, guys. So let's get back to the questions now. So the next question they have given to top is greater than x. Stack dot pop and count is equal to count plus one, stack dot push and print count. Okay. So it's all about how many times we are doing the pop operation. The condition is given as if the stack is not empty and stack top element must be greater than x. If both are true only. Why? Because AND operator, right? AND operator means left hand side also must be true, right hand side also must be true. If the both the conditions are true, then only the inside count will be increased. Why I am saying this while loop directly is nothing but the count is the output I need to get. So I need to know how many times this while loop will execute. If you know how many times this while loop execute, those many times count will be increased. That is my answer. So how many times the while loop will be executed? This is my first priority I need to get. So for example, 42731 is the array and we are storing it in stack, right? So let's just take this. X is an array. X value is how much first? 4. While stack not empty, actually stack is empty early, right? So while loop will never execute. directly it will go to the push operation. So X will be pushed to the stack. So it will be stored here, which is nothing but 4 is stored here. Next, what happened? The loop is will run for second time. Okay, the loop is will run for the second time. Now the X value is 2. Now the while left hand side condition is true. Why? Because stack is not empty. And the next expression also need to be true, right? Stack dot top. What is the top element here? Top is here. Top is 4. 4 is greater than X or not? Yes, it is true. If it is true, it will go inside. It will go inside means 4 will be pop, which is nothing but 4 will come out of the stack. And count is increased. So count value is equal to 1. So I will write count value 1 here. And again loop will be start. I will never skip to the loop. Again loop will go to the here. While stack is not empty, stack is empty now. So it is false. Whenever this while loop is false, this code will be skipped. And stack dot push X, which is nothing but the present X value is 2. 2 will be pushed to the stack. So 4 is removed and 2 is entered into the stack. That's it. That is the operation is done throughout this iteration and count is increased by 1. So let me erase this line so that we can go for the next iteration. Next, X is equal to 7. Guys, remember this much difficult level only they are giving the examination. So please, they are giving around 50 questions, which means 25 questions they are giving in pseudo code based, 15 questions will be based on MCQ based. So please take your time and do the problems. They will give you ample amount of time. Okay. So next, now the X value is 7. 7 is greater than 2 or not? See, the present value is 2. 2 is greater than 7. It's false. False means while loop will not execute. It will directly push towards 7 here. Next, it will come out of the internal loop. It will come to the for loop. Now the X value is 3. So is the stack is empty? No. So it is true. And now the top value represents the 7. So 7 is greater than the present value is 3. So it is also true. True means the recent top element will be excluded. Whenever one element got popped, count also will increase by 1. And again this loop will be executed. Now the top value is 2. 2 is greater than 3. False. False means loop will stop. Then go to the push operation. Push operation means present value X is 3. X will be pushed. So again top will come here. So whenever the present X value is smaller, it will remove the elements. So the stack need to fill in the ascending order. Next, X value is 1. Stack is not empty. 1 will compare with 3. 3 is more. So 3 will come out, which is nothing but pop operation will happen. So count will be increased by 1 more. Next again top value will represent 2. 2 is greater than 1. So it is also come out. Pop operation happened. So count also increased by 1. Now the stack is empty. Empty means the present X value will be pushed to the stack. So in the stack we have value 1 now. The array is also completed. So loop will be also terminated. And we will print the count as 4 times the pop operation is happened. 4 times the while loop got executed. So answer is 4. For the explanation guys, I am taking this much time. But in the examination you have to do very quickly. Hardly imagine you need to complete any problem in 1 minute to 1.5 minute. Okay. So people who are understanding, please let me know in the chat. Is everything clear till now? Nagaraju, please stick with the basics and please maintain the accuracy. Accuracy is the key, guys, for the Capgemini. So at least score 75% above in the technical assessment. It would be very good and you will have a good chances to get into the interviews as well. Okay, just look into the next problem. Whenever I see arrays problems, guys, I practiced a lot of array problems. So quickly I will get the conclusion of the answer. See, for example, array is given, result 0. For loop is running from 0 to length of a minus 2. Okay. Present value is less than the next value. So 2 is less than 5 is true. If it is true, what they are doing? Result is equal to, which is nothing but result is equal to 0 plus next value minus present value. So they are adding the difference, right? So 2 and 5 difference is 3. Else means if, for example, next case 5 is less than 1 is false. If it is false, else part will be executed. In else part, what they are doing? Result is equal to 0 plus present value and next value difference. Minus means subtraction, right? So 5 and 1 difference is 4. Double slash 2, which means if left side element is less than right hand side element, direct difference we are adding. If it is false, we are taking the difference only, but we are dividing with 2, then adding to the result. So this is what you need to get the clarity of the code. Once you get the clarity of the code and you analyze the code, how I will do in the examination, let me show you. Once I got the clarity, I will never look into the code again. I will directly do like this. 2 less than 5 is true. True means difference you need to add. So result is equal to 3 now. Next, 5 less than 1, false. False means difference 4. 4 double slash 2 is nothing but a 2. Add 2 to here. So now the result value is 5. Next, 1 less than 6. True. True means difference 5 I need to add. Add plus 5. Now the value is 10. 6 less than 7. True. True means difference 1 I need to add. So plus 1, which is equal to 11. 7 less than 3. False. False means take the difference, which is 4, divided by 2, which is nothing but 2. Add this 2. So answer is 13. So the result answer is 13. This is how you need to do in your examination to save the time, guys. Analyze the code. Remember for the instance and start doing. Why you have to do this iteration step by step and multiple times? Once you analyze the code, your mind need to work like a machine to execute the code. Okay. This is the direct question which is asked in the examination, guys. So I just showing you. Okay. So quickly I am giving you this as your assignment. So those who did this problem and give you the answer in the comment section, we will give you the free access to our PrepInsta Prime. We will pick the top 3 commenters of the people who have given the solution for this video. So if you guys want, pause the video and do it, or take the screenshot and after completion of the live, comment your answer. So this is your assignment question for today. And not only pseudocode questions, they are giving 15 questions based on IT fundamentals, right? Which is nothing but based on SQL, they're asking questions. Based on DBMS, they're asking question. And based on, they're asking DSA related questions and cloud related questions and computer networking related questions. So these 5 topics are very important for Capgemini. So please practice All these are computer science subjects. If you don't know how to prepare, where to prepare, don't worry. Come to our PrepInsta Prime, scroll down a bit, and you can see computer science subjects like DBMS, computer networking, SQL. SDLC is not required for Capgemini. Operating system also not required. They said only computer networking, DBMS, SQL. And if you want to learn about cloud computing, also you can come to popular skills. And if you scroll down a bit, you can see after cybersecurity, you can see cloud computing concepts. So all these things are very important for your Capgemini examinations, guys. Okay. So let's solve few questions based on how DSA questions are they're asking, how computer networking questions they're asking and all. So just look at here. If you apply bubble sort ascending order to the following list, how many swaps are required? Okay. You need to find how many swaps required to make this list sorted in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Okay. So let's start doing this. 8, 3, 5, 1, 7, 4. First, we will compare first two elements. They will be swapped, right? So now it will become 3, 8, 5, 1, 7, 4. Guys, tell me, 8 is the highest element, right? So 8 is the highest element in the list. By seeing that, you can know that, right? So simply, can I say 8 will go to the 3 place, next it will go to the 5 place, next it will go to the 1 place, next it will go to the 7 place, next it will go to the 4th place. So how many swaps? 8 will happen, 8 will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first 5 swaps will happen. So after 5 swaps happen, how the data will be arranged is nothing but simply 3, 5, 1, 7, 4, 8. So 8 is the highest number. To reach to the last place, 5 swaps it's need to complete. That's what you guys know, right? So this is what bubble sort is nothing but, right? Next. 3 and 5, they're in the order. And next 5 and 1, they are not in the order. So this swap will happen. So next it will be 3, 1, 5, 7, 4, 8. Next 5 and 7 will be compared. They will never change. Why? Because they are in the order itself. So I am erasing this. Next 7 and 4 will be compared. 7 is not in the right place. So this swap also will happen. So in order to get the second element in the order, 2 swaps were happened. So 2 swaps. Still there in the ascending order? No, still we need to swap. So last two elements already got swapped. We don't have to worry about them. Just worry about the remaining elements. 3 and 1, they are not in the order. So swap will happen. If the swap will happen, they will become 1, 3, 5, 4, 7, 8. Now 3 and 5 will be compared. They are in the order. So swap will never happen. Again 5 and 4 will be checked. They are not in the order. So the swap will happen. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. If you observe, all the elements got swapped and they are in the ascending order. So how many extra swaps happened here? 1 and here also 1. So another 2 swaps happened. So initially 5 swaps, next 2 swaps, next 2 swaps, total 9 swaps. We got the total bubble sort in the proper ascending order. Next, evaluate the given postfix expression. Guys, in order to calculate the value, tell me in the chat how many people know about this concept. Please quickly let me know in the chat. To calculate the actual answer from postfix to which fix we need to convert the data? Postfix to prefix or infix to calculate the value. I am looking into the chart, guys. Yes, people are saying infix. It is correct. Let's convert that into infix. And the people who don't know about how to convert into the postfix to infix, simply I will explain you guys. Just remember like this, okay? So always we will use a stack to make this happen. Simply remember, first push 4 value. So from left to right, you need to push the values, okay? Remember that. So first we will push the 4. Next we will push the 6. Next plus will be pushed. Whenever plus will be pushed, they will check for how many elements are there. 2 elements, right? This plus will be applied to this 2. So the expression will become 4 plus 6. Next 3 will be pushed. So 3 comma 2 will be pushed. 2 and star will be pushed. Star. So the star will be applied to the preceding 2 values, which is nothing but 4 plus 6 comma 3 star 2. So these are in the list. Next 5 will be pushed. So comma 5. Next plus will be pushed. Guys, just look at here. This plus will be applied to the previous 2 terms, which is nothing but 3 star 2 plus 5. So this is how brackets will happen. Last but not least, star will be pushed. And we have only 2 elements. So 4 plus 6 and 3 star 2 plus 5. In between them, we have a star. So 10 star 6 plus 5 is 11. So answer is 110. Yeah, everyone is given a correct answer. Just for the people who don't know about how to push the elements and how to apply the arithmetic calculation, just now I have given small list explanation. That's it, and nothing else. That so you guys need to have a good knowledge about. I told you right, data structures algorithms. Theoretical knowledge you need to have. Okay, few questions based on remaining concepts like computer networking and cloud. Quickly give me the answers in the chat, guys. Which of the following best describes IaaS, infrastructure as service? Infrastructure as a service always provides virtual machines, storage, and networking. So C is the correct answer. Next, in cloud computing, elasticity refers to. Elasticity is nothing but the word itself is saying that elasticity, right? Elasticity means automatically scaling up and scaling down the resources. So option B. Next, containers. Containers like example Docker are mainly used for which purpose? Guys, remember, whenever the word containers or Dockers came to the picture, always remember dependencies. So dependencies and package applications, they will take care of it. They are the main usage of these Dockers and containers are these only. So whatever the dependencies are required, all the dependencies will taken care by the containers and Dockers. Example is Docker. Actually, commonly we will call it as containers. Okay. Next, which layer of the OSI model is responsible for end-to-end reliable delivery? So you guys are all from CS related subject, sorry, CS related branches. So that's why you guys are very sharp and giving a lot of good answers. It's good. So guys, you don't have to worry about IT fundamentals. If you are from CSIT background, you can easily solve these questions. But if you are from non-IT students, I am suggesting you take the PrepInsta Prime subscription and use those computer science subject knowledge for your examination. Don't miss that. Okay. The correct answer for is end-to-end reliable delivery is always transport layer. That's it, guys. So I have given you a one assignment question. After completion of this live, please comment your answer in the comment section. And if you have a time and bandwidth, give the explanation also in the comment section, so others people also can understand why the answer and how the answer you guys got. So it will help the others also, and we will pick the top 3 commenters also. Yeah, Karthik, to be honest, I don't know the answer. I haven't solved the questions. Directly, I am seeing now and I am solving it for you. And also follow our all social media handles, guys. If you want to get instant updates about any company, for example, hiring, it is a small hiring or off campus or on campus, whatever it might be, you need to get the information first. So follow our social media handles. And also use the coupon code KTKMAX to grab the opportunity to get maximum discount. So never miss this opportunity, guys. Why? Because placement season is started. Please take everything seriously and start your preparation. So I am not like a teacher, I am, or a trainer, I am telling you. I am telling you as a last few years, I am into the placement, hiring zones and everything, hiring patterns and everything. So I know this is the right time to start your preparation. So don't miss this chance and grab the opportunity. Thank you so much, everyone. See you guys. Bye bye. See you in the next slide.